Flood Out Restoration focuses on home restoration and fire prevention for homeowners, offering comprehensive services to protect homes from risks and aid in recovery post-disaster. With an emphasis on prevention, the company stresses proactive measures to mitigate various threats and safeguard properties effectively. Electric and gas water heaters require regular maintenance for safe operation, with issues such as corrosion, sediment buildup, gas leaks, pilot light malfunctions posing risks. Proper maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and ensure overall home safety, including addressing rodent damage, lint buildup in dryer vents, and grease fires. Flood Out Restoration embodies a servant's heart with its services such as flood damage repair, flooring replacement, roof repair, drywall repair, and carpet cleaning. The company prioritizes prevention, high-quality restoration services, and customer care, positioning itself as a trusted partner in protecting and restoring homes effectively. Flood Out Restoration, a top home restoration service in Longview, Texas, helps homeowners prevent hazards and recover from disasters through comprehensive services. Click the link in the description to find out more.